2026 Moto Guzzi Stelvio. Italian adventure touring with character. The 2026 Moto Guzzi Stelvio continues the rebirth of one of Italy's most distinctive adventure touring motorcycles. Named after the famous mountain pass in the Italian Alps, the Stelvio combines long-distance comfort, advanced technology, and Moto Guzzi's unique engineering heritage into a machine that stands apart from the crowd of conventional ADV bikes. While many adventure motorcycles rely on parallel twin engines and aggressive styling, the Stelvio proudly embraces Moto Guzzi's iconic transverse V-twin layout, delivering a riding experience full of personality and character. Powerful V-twin engine. At the heart of the 2026 Stelvio is Moto Guzzi's modern 1042 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled transverse V-twin engine, the same advanced powerplant found in the Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello. The engine produces approximately 115 horsepower and around 105 Nm of torque, offering strong acceleration and effortless highway performance. Unlike many adventure bikes that prioritize peak horsepower, the Stelvio focuses on smooth torque delivery and real-world rideability. The V-twin's unique layout creates a distinctive feel and sound that immediately sets it apart from competitors. Power is delivered through a 6-speed transmission and a low-maintenance shaft drive system, making the Stelvio an excellent choice for long-distance touring. Distinctive adventure styling. The Stelvio blends traditional Moto Guzzi design elements with modern adventure bike functionality. Key styling features include tall adjustable windscreen, full LED lighting, rugged body protection, large fuel tank, adventure-ready stance, integrated aerodynamic bodywork. The design balances elegance and toughness, giving the motorcycle a premium European appearance without looking overly aggressive. Unlike many ADV bikes that resemble rally racers, the Stelvio projects a more refined touring-focused identity. Built for long-distance travel, touring capability is where the Stelvio truly shines. A large fuel tank provides excellent range, making the bike ideal for extended journeys across highways and remote regions. The upright ergonomics, spacious seat, and excellent wind protection help reduce rider fatigue during long days in the saddle. Moto Guzzi designed the Stelvio specifically for riders who enjoy covering serious distances while still maintaining comfort and control. The roomy riding position also accommodates passengers comfortably, making the bike suitable for two-up touring adventures. Advanced rider technology. The 2026 Stelvio includes a comprehensive electronics package designed to improve safety and convenience. Multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, cruise control, full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, navigation integration, electronic rider aids. A 6-axis IMU continuously monitors motorcycle movement, allowing rider assistance systems to adapt to changing road conditions. These technologies help the Stelvio remain competitive with premium adventure motorcycles from Germany, Austria, and Japan. Real-world character. The Moto Guzzi experience is about more than specifications. The transverse V-twin engine produces a distinctive side-to-side motion at idle, a unique exhaust note, and a mechanical character that many riders find deeply engaging. While competitors may offer similar performance figures, few motorcycles deliver the same emotional connection and individuality as the Stelvio. This character is one of the main reasons Moto Guzzi continues to attract a loyal following worldwide. Competition. The 2026 Stelvio competes against leading adventure touring motorcycles such as BMW R1300 GS, Ducati Multistrada V4, Triumph Tiger 1200, KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. Moto Guzzi's strengths lie in its distinctive engine design, Italian styling, touring comfort, and unique riding experience. Final verdict. The 2026 Moto Guzzi Stelvio offers a refreshing alternative in the premium adventure touring market. With its charismatic V-twin engine, long-distance comfort, modern technology, shaft-drive practicality, and unmistakable Italian personality, the Stelvio delivers a riding experience that feels genuinely different from mainstream competitors. For riders seeking adventure touring capability combined with individuality and heritage, the Stelvio remains one of the most appealing and character-rich motorcycles in its class.